Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw USDT from OKX exchange. In order to do so, you first have to launch your OKX mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this page where by default you will be on this overview section, but you need to first click on funding in the top. After that, you need to tap on withdraw. Once you do this, you will be shown all of the cryptos that you have on OKX. So over here, you will have to select USDT. Then it will give you a bunch of different options of withdrawal in the bottom. So among these options, you will have to tap on chain option. Once done, you need to fill out these details where you will have to paste the address in this section. So basically, you just have to select any other exchanges or the wallet that you have in which you want to withdraw your USDT from OKX. So let's say you want to do it in your Binance application. So you need to open your Binance app, and from there you just have to select USDT, and then you just have to copy the address from there and you simply need to paste it over here. After that, it will ask you to select your network. So whichever network you have selected at the time of opening the USDT, you just have to select the same network over here. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. After filling these details, you just have to press the submit button in the bottom, and after waiting for some time, you will be able to see that the USDT is now in your Binance account. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.